Hi, I'm Kavi Gupta, an 11th grader at the California Academy of Mathematics and Science in Carson, California. My app, Rydes, helps families easily form carpools to and from school. Many families, especially those from lower socioeconomic backgrounds, struggle with transportation, and the decline in school buses only amplifies this issue. I saw this problem firsthand at my school, and after surveying over 50 families, I learned that more than 40% of families at my school who wanted to carpool couldn't find a match. Rydes solves this by connecting verified families through a secure, privacy-friendly app that shows nearby matches and lets families message each other to set up carpools. Over 65 families currently use Rydes, which is proven to make finding and organizing carpools much easier and less stressful. Families begin by selecting their school. Then, the parent enters their email address and agrees to the terms of use and privacy policy. After the family presses sign up, a verification code is sent through email. Parents then enter the verification code to log in. On the first login, families are asked to provide information like their phone number, home address, and how many seats they have available on their car. Additionally, families must add at least one student by entering their name, grade level, and school email, which is regulated by looking at their email domain. Before being allowed to continue, a verification code is sent to one of the students' school emails. The code must be entered into the app once to verify that a legitimate school family is signing up. Families must first find a family they might want to carpool with. To facilitate this, Rydes provides a map on which all nearby families are marked. The map also highlights suggestions based on proximity and vehicle space with a yellow star. A family can click on any one of the families on the map to show a menu from which they can send a message to the app or invite them to carpool. Families can directly message another family or create a group chat with multiple families through the app, keeping their contact information private. The messaging feature is used by families to ask each other questions to determine if the other person is a good carpool match. The messaging interface allows families to share their contact information and revoke it at any time. Families are also notified in the app and via email when another family requests to carpool with them. To minimize the effort spent by families and to avoid having them search the app for new matches constantly, the app also notifies families when another family joins nearby. Families are free to modify their information or delete their account at any time through the profile pane. To make the app experience as best as possible for families, they can reach out for support via email and report bugs and request features directly through the app. I built Rydes using the JavaScript programming language. Rydes has two primary components, a front end and a back end. The front end is what the user interacts with, and it is made using React Native and the Expo framework, which allow Rydes to be available natively on iOS, Android, and web. The back end is responsible for all the logic behind Rydes and provides data to the front end, which is presented to the user. It is built in JavaScript using the Adonis.js framework, to which low-level tasks are offloaded and which provides more structure to the code. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn more about Rydes, the app that has already made carpooling a breeze for over 65 families and will continue doing so for many more.